Hey guys, I'm your host Zap. I think some of you might be wondering how different the photo and video quality really are between Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra. So I went out and took many photos and videos and put them together side by side. You'll hear background music when you see the photos, but I did not put background music when you see the video section because I wanted you to hear the sound these devices record. Yes, video playback with some background music looks more cinematic and maybe even joyful to look at, but they don't really represent how these devices perform in picking up sound when recording videos. Well, because if I put background music when you see the video section, you simply won't hear the sound these devices recorded. So what you see here is how these devices record images and sound as they do. You'll see the photos first and then videos later. Let's dive in. So, what do you think of the quality of the photos and the videos? To me, I was surprised how close the quality is between Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra. With all these heavy marketing and pushing the camera quality of Note 20 Ultra, I was expecting to see more difference in image quality between the two devices. But to me, the quality is really similar, if not the same. To me, the biggest differentiator is the telephoto lens. Note 20 with 3 times hybrid zoom, while Note 20 Ultra has 5 times optic zoom. But other than that, the quality is strikingly similar to my eyes. I'll be uploading 4K and 8K videos in the coming few days. I hope you come back and check them out as well. See ya!